Okay, I'm waiting for signal here on this. I'm waiting for signal to enter the signal. I have not seen any signal, so I'm not making my entry. I'm gonna wait again. I got signal on another index. I was waiting for 10, but I got on 75, so I'm gonna wait again. Okay, I'm waiting for another signal on 100. I just said I should record my waiting process as well so that you get to understand. Okay, that's 100. I just entered, that's 100 trade signal. You're wondering that I'm not opening the signal. I just want you to see the result at the bottom. That's 427. So I just made $12, almost $13. One trade. That's the trade. I just didn't want to show you. I want it to go through before you see it. This is me using TMNmedia Signal Service. I'm going to show you the signal that I just traded right now from my other phone. You could hear the sound, so I'll go into my other phone and show you. All right, this is the signal I just traded. You can see the time 1:30. It just came in by 1:30. I traded and just made me the profits. So it's as soon as you receive the signal, this is your trade. So I received the signal over here on binary. I placed a trade and I made 12%. And now you can get to be doing that every day and be making 10%. And therefore you're going to be growing your account. This is real account, so you get to understand you can be making money just like that. Hey, God bless you. See you in another video.